Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about the GAES1024-1, and that basically stands for Grumman-American Engineering Services, part number 1024-1. It was a specialty bolt into the axle adapter. Let's talk about it. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now again, ladies and gentlemen, if you go looking through the parts maintenance manuals of our Grumman line, you'll see a lot of parts that start with GAES, Grumman-American Engineering Services, and those were special parts or bushings that were made for the assembly of our aircraft. Now the GAES 1024-1 is that little bolt that goes in on the outside of your fairing, comes in under the cap, screws into the adapter. Now we have not seen original GAES 1024-1 part in quite a while. What people have been using are the AN5-7As. Those are the undrilled bolts with a star washer. Again, it's a fastener that holds. But in the original bolt, as Ken said, they took an AN5-7, they drilled a hole, and they put a piece of plastic weed eater twine through it. And then they trimmed it off with a pair of dikes on either side. So you had a little bit of nylon sticking proud of the threads. And when you threw it into the blind fastener, that nylon distorted and became like a nylock, grabbing it to hold it. So that's how they made them. Now what I'm using right here is a piece of plastic welding rod. It's very similar in nylon. It's a little stiffer than the weed eater twine, and Ken preferred it. But again, in the originals they used weed eater twine that they got from Ace Hardware. Garner should get a laugh out of that looking at some of the original sheets. But anyway, it's an AN5. Now I'm showing you here it's an AN6 drilled bolt. This is for the motor mounts, and that's the plastic welding rod. And you can see the rod is a little bigger than a hole. So if I wanted to convert that to have a nylock fastening capability there into a blind fastener, I would have to drill it a little larger, use an arbor press to push the plastic rod through, and then I would be able to trim it off on either side and have a functioning bolt. So that's how they made the 1024-1. Probably more than you ever wanted to know about the specialty fastener that nobody has anymore, but I hope you found it useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.